Mabuhay! It's me, your girl InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, nandito pa rin tayo sa Darwin guys, dito sa Northern Territory. So guys, are you ready for some swim fun for today's video adventure? What are we waiting for? Happy watching!
It's round two, this time we can swim.
We are now heading to the Wangi or Wangi Falls. This is the Wangi Falls Walk. For those wanting to explore beyond the plunge pool, the Wangi Falls Loop Walk is a popular trail. The trail is about 1.6 kilometers long and leads visitors through the lush rainforest to the top of the falls, offering scenic views of the surrounding area. Along the way, you can see the towering fig trees, native plants, and possibly spot wildlife like wallabies and fruit bats. Wangi Falls or Wangi Falls is equipped with picnic tables, barbecue facilities, and a grassy area where visitors can relax, making it a perfect spot for a family outing or a day trip. There's also a nearby cafe that serves light refreshments, snacks, and drinks.
Yeah, Walang free Wi-Fi, it's under the sign, so it just hasn't been opened yet. Oh, there's people here. So there's another viewing sort of platform to the right there, but
Not far away, you can see straight the Wangi Falls is one of the most popular and picturesque attractions in Litchfield National Park, located in the Northern Territory of Australia, about 80 miles or 130 kilometers from Darwin. This natural wonder features a pair of stunning waterfalls cascading in a two large plunge pool surrounded by a lush monsoon rainforest. Wangi Falls offer a refreshing escape with its swimming opportunities, beautiful walks, and rich wildlife, making it a favorite destination for both locals and visitors.
should have worn sunglasses. Should have worn my sunglasses. Now the reflection off your chest is blinding. So usually I just jump in. Usually good. I think it's still bounce for that, yeah.
Wangi Falls Plunge Pool, or the large natural swimming hole at the base of the falls, is the main attraction. Visitors can swim in the cool, clear waters, especially during the dry season, May to October, when the pool is usually open for swimming. The waterfall is active year-round, the flow being strongest during the wet season. During the wet season, swimming at Wangi Falls may be closed due to the risk of crocodiles, particularly salt crocodiles known locally as salties. It is important to adhere to all park signage and warnings regarding swimming conditions.
Full Venice now.
Going over the waterfall.
Oh, you can go wherever.
Eh?
Go wherever. Yeah, it looks like it does get shallower anyway once you get close to it all. How's your swimming skills translating?
The old waterfalls in the wet seasons be pouring down here, I reckon.
Oh, I thought she'll be able to float on the pool noodle, but
I'm not heading over this way, kid.
The dual waterfalls at Wangi Falls are particularly impressive during the wet season, which is November to April when the water flow is at its peak, creating a powerful and mesmerizing display. During the dry season, the falls reduce to the gentler flow, providing a more tranquil setting for swimming and relaxing.
I think so, yeah. She'll float. Is your mama doing in Zoom with she's missing with other Filipinos this year?
I can't look at those Filipinos down here though.
Yeah, I didn't see that many sort of along the way really. There'll just be like one sort of sari store I've had in most of the towns, but yeah.
And like I said, that's Filipino too.
Yeah, if I had a croc cup there, there's a good chance that if he jumped in, they'll be looking at you. It looks like the water goes around the side there as well.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's where it exits out from, but
Well, it must be exiting somewhere, otherwise it's bloody full with no time.
Like, you feel the wind, felt like the air getting pushed off it.
Oh, so you can look underwater with the camera.
Hello! Where's Wilma?
She's this. Nah, I don't want women to come over here. I'd have to swim by the side the whole time. You got fruit. I've got like fucking 6 months worth of fruit there to eat up.
Wangi Falls offers a perfect mix of natural beauty, adventure, and relaxation, making it a must-visit destination in Litchfield National Park. Whether to swim in the refreshing waters, explore the rainforest, or simply enjoy a picnic by the falls, Wangi Falls provides an unforgettable experience in the Australian outback.
Yeah, it probably gets too busy till the tour buses start arriving as well. Like I think.
So, that's it guys. That's our Wangi Falls, Wangi or Wangi Falls dito sa Litchfield National Park dito pa rin sa Northern Territory. So, from Darwin, we just drive to Litchfield. It's a national park. It took us 1 hour and 30 plus minutes to reach the waterfall. So, if you've been in my channel, guys, sa mga susunod na video, yun, first time namin, second time na namin ni Jax dito mag-visit. So, nung first time namin, close tong waterfalls na to kasi nag-camping kami dito sa National Park. Literal, dito sa National Park. So, it's 5 to 10 minutes walk dito sa falls. Pero, that time kasi, close yung Wangi o Wangi Falls na to. Pero ngayon this time, we are back after 2 weeks. After a week or after 2 weeks. Kasi nga nandito yung kuya ni Jax and si ate, yung wife niya. So yes, and open this time. So, yung first time kasi, tinitingnan nila kasi parang may crocodile yung first time namin pumunta. Pero ngayon kasi, this time, they opened for public and it's safe na kasi wala rin crocodile. Nakita niyo naman sa video guys, it's very stunning. It's a gorgeous waterfalls. Double waterfalls siya. Nakita niyo kanina. So, nag-swim kami ni Jax. Nag-swim muna yung kuya ni Jax and si Jax doon sa dulo ng fountain. Waterfalls. So, sumunod ako guys kasi si ate ay super nagpo-photography doon. Nag-photograph siya doon sa may dulo. So, sa entrance. So, anyway, highway. Maganda siya guys. Waterfall siya. Fresh water. Kailangan talaga magaling ka mag-swimming kasi pag hindi ka magaling mag-swimming guys, babaksak. Yung katawan mo, pag fresh water, yung tubig, bumabaksak talaga yung tubig. Hindi siya katulad ng sea water o ocean water, guys, na lulutang ka talaga. So, anyway, highway, guys, makikita nyo naman, it was a stunning waterfalls. So, pwede kayo mag-picnic, mag-camping doon, guys. But, you need to pay the tickets kapag magka-camping kayo doon. Kapag may caravan kayo, trailer, o magte-tent. So, anyway, highway, siguro doon lang kami for an hour. Nag-swimming kasi nakakapagod din, guys. Pabalik-balik. Isang balik lang ako tapos pabalik na rin din kanina. So anyway, highway, ayun na nga. So success naman. Si InDaynaMo nakapunta sa dulo at nakasave naman pabalik. So yun na nga, nakita nyo naman kanina, guys. Madaming tao. It's free naman mag-swim doon sa waterfalls. Dito sa Northern Territory, madaming mga waterfalls dito, guys. Na pwede kang mag-swimming. Unless kapag may sign ng crocodile. Kapag meron silang sign ng crocodile, hindi ka pwede mag-swimming, guys. Kasi meron niyang crocodile. Literal, may crocodile kapag may sign ka. May kita sa mga gilid dito sa Northern Territory. Pero pag wala naman, you're safe, you're fine to swim at the waterfall. So, makikita niyo yan sa ating mga susunod na videos dito sa Northern Territory, dito sa Darwin. So, guys, nandito siya sa loob ng Litchfield National Park. So, it's highly recommended if you love nature, environment kayo, guys, and you always appreciate the Mother Earth. So guys, that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching and learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting our video. And mega love shout out to each wonderful beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy our video for today, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and ciao la.